In this video, you will see how to make 2 by 2 picture in WPS Office. It's very easy. First, you need to go here in the Insert tab, then go to Picture, and then select the picture from your computer. After selecting the picture, click on Open to insert it into the document. Now to make this picture 2 by 2, we have two options. First, right click on the picture, then click on More Settings and click on Size tab. Remove Lock Aspect Ratio, and then you will have here height and width. So for me it is in inches, but you can change it to centimeter if you want to. Just erase these numbers and enter 2 in each of the boxes, height wise and width wise, and then click on OK, and this will make 2 by 2 picture. There is one more method. You can just click on the picture. Under the picture tool, you will see here the options of height and width. You just need to untick this option, lock aspect ratio, and then just enter 2 in height and width, and then click in the document to make 2 by 2 picture in WPS Office. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn WPS Office quickly. See you again in the next one.